Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are on the topic linear inequalities. In the previous video, we considered how to solve some examples on the first type of linear inequalities. In this video, we are going to consider two more examples. So we will pick the first one, which is 7x minus 16 greater than 12. So we are supposed to solve this inequality. As we did in the previous video, the first thing you have to do here is to group like terms. We can see that negative 16 and 12 are like terms. As I said, I always like to keep the terms with the variables on the left hand side and the terms without the variables on the right hand side. So I'm going to keep 7x here, then I group 16 and 12 on this side, which is the right hand side. So I'll keep 7x here, 12 is already here, so we will keep it there. Now this 16 is minus. As soon as a number or a term crosses the inequality sign, it changes the sign to the other sign. So if it's negative, it becomes positive. If it's positive, it becomes negative. Here 16 is negative, so when it crosses the inequality sign, it becomes positive. So we are going to have 7x is greater than 12 plus 16. So we are going to get 7x is greater than 12 plus 16 is 28. When you get to this level, you divide through by the number attached to the variable. So here we are going to divide through by the number attached to the number attached to x, which is 7. So you divide through by 7. We divide both sides by 7, so 7x divided by 7, 28 divided by 7. 7 will cancel 7, you will get x. 28 divided by 7 will give us 4. So the question said we have to write the truth set, or you have to find the truth set. So you write the truth set as x is such that x is greater than 4. By this time, you should know how to write the truth set for your answer. The question also told us to illustrate our answer on a number line. So as I said, you draw a simple number line. Make sure that the number in your answer is on the number line. The number in our answer is 4. So make sure that 4 is on the number line. Then also make sure that the differences between the numbers are the same. So here I chose 2. So from 4 to 6 is 2. From 6 to 8 is 2. From 8 to 10 is 2. Now after you finish with that, you draw a line from your answer in the direction of the inequality sign. So here the inequality is pointing this side, so you draw the arrow in the direction of it. Remember that the line that you draw must be an arrow, so you draw the arrow in that direction. Then after that, you draw a small circle on top of your answer. Now because this is greater than, not greater than or equal to, we are not going to shade the circle. If the answer was x is greater than or equal to 4, then we will shade the circle. Because it's only greater than, we are going to leave the circle as it is. Let's pick the next example. Minus 5x plus 4 is greater than or equal to 24. Once again, you group like terms. So in grouping like terms, I want to keep the term with x or the variable on the left hand side. So I will keep negative 5x here. 4 is positive, so it crosses the equal to sign to this side, becomes negative. So I'm going to have minus 5x is greater than or equal to 24 minus 4. Minus 5x is greater than or equal to 24 minus 4 is 20. When you get to this stage, you divide through by the number attached to the variable. The variable is x. The number attached to it is minus 5. So you divide through by minus 5. But remember that as soon as you divide through by a negative number, the sign of the inequality, the direction of the inequality changes. So if it's greater than or equal to, it becomes less than or equal to. So here, if you divide through by -5, the sign which is greater than or equal to changes to less than or equal to. I hope that is clear. -5 will cancel -5, so we have x. We have a less than or equal to, then 20 divided by -5 give us -4. The question said we should write the truth set. So the truth set will give us s is such that x is less than or equal to -4. It also said we should illustrate our answer on a number line. So you draw a simple number line. So I'm beginning from -16, -12, -8, -4. You just draw a simple number line, but make sure that your answer is in the number line. So from here, I'll draw a line from -4 in the direction. That's very important. In the direction of the inequality sign. So here the inequality is pointing this way. So I'll draw an arrow from here in this direction, as we have here. Then you draw a simple small circle on top of your answer. Because it is less than or equal to, you shade the circle. Thank you for watching this video on linear inequalities. See you in the next video, where we will learn how to solve the second type of linear inequalities. Bye bye.